If you are looking for how to add plus before a mobile number in Excel, then don't skip this video. So for example, if I insert a plus sign before mobile number and hit press enter, it disappeared. So how you can add? First you need to select the data and then right click and go to the format cells and click on the customs. And here is the general. You need to type double quote plus double quote and 0 and click OK. And you can see plus sign is added before mobile number. So this is the first method. The second method is that you need to type single quote and type plus and type the mobile number. So here you can see that plus sign is added. But this method takes a lot of time if you have a big data, because you have to put a manual data for this. So if you want to put the plus before mobile number with formula, then what you have to do is you need to press is equal to and double quote plus double quote space bar ampersand space bar and select the cell. And this is the easiest way. You just need to drag it, and so with the formula you can easily plus sign before mobile number in the Excel. So this way you can easily manage your data. So I hope you understand all these three methods. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.